So hello everyone, my name is Gabriel Dominic P. Altobar. So this is my semi-finals activity 2, my continuation of my student attendance system. So as you can see here, we have our student file in our local disk. As you can see here, right there. And we'll open the visual code. So here, this is my student attendance. We have the student attendance files, then the students. So here we have the student config, name students for the Django DB model. Then for the class students, we have the name, last name, age, and course. Then we have our the Django URLs, import path to view the student list. We have here the add, update, then delete for the student uh, attendance system. So kasi here we have our views.py for the def add student request. So we have here the student object, we have the name request, last name, also the age, then the course. Also for the update student, we have our get object for the student name, last name, age, course, then to save the request. Then lastly, we have our def delete student request for student to get object, then to delete, then return redirect to the student list. So this is the student attendance list. As you can see here, there are no students found yet. So we're gonna add student name. Let's say Gabriel. Then last name Altubar. Then age 21. Then course BSIT. So as you can see there, the it has the first name, last name, age, then the student's course. So this is the HTML of the output of the add student. So as you can see here, we have the H1 add student, then a input type, name, last name, age, and course. Then we have the button type which is submit. Then to add a button, then we have a backlist. Then we have here the edit button. As you can see here, we can edit update the status of the student. Let's change it to Dominic. Then the course. So as you can see here, it will update the students attendance list. And we have here the backlist. Then we can also add more students. So let's type in a name, let's say Elisa, then Peralta, age 55, then course BSBA, then let's click add. So as you can see here, it will appear the output of Elisa Grace, age 55, then course which is BSBA. So after that, we have here our delete button. So the delete button, as you can see here, wait. As you can see here, the we have here the student attendance list. For the delete, we have just have a URL delete student href here, as you can see. Then the delete button. So that's then you can actually delete the name. So that's all. Thank you.